Use fish for one or many of the same type, and use fishes for many different types. For our first question, I caught one blank in the lake today. When you say one and you're talking about a single creature from the lake, we use the word fish. It's simple, singular, and perfect. So I caught one fish in the lake today. Number two, the aquarium has many colorful blanks from around the world. Colorful and from around the world. This tells us we are not just talking about many of the same kind, but many different kinds or species of these aquatic creatures. When you have different types, that's when fishes comes into play. So the aquarium has many colorful fishes from around the world. Number three, my dad loves to eat blank for dinner. The answer here is fish. Because when we are talking about this as a food, we're not counting how many different types of fish are in the meal. We are treating it as a one big tasty food type. It's like saying my dad loves to eat chicken. We are not differentiate between different types of chicken, right? The same idea applies here. Number four, in the ocean, you can find various kinds of blank. The key phrase here is various kinds. Just like in question 2, various kinds tells us we are looking at different species, a diversity of aquatic life, and for different species we use fishes. So in the ocean you can find various kinds of fishes. Next up, there are 3 gold blank in my small tank. Here we are talking about 3 individual gold creatures, but they are all the same type, gold. We are not emphasizing different species, just multiple individuals of the same kind. So we say there are 3 goldfish in my small tank. So remember this simple rule. Fish is for one or many of the same kind, and fishes is for many different kinds. Now it's your turn. Try to finish the remaining questions on your own. Pause the video here and give it a try. You'll find the answers at the end. Hey, if you're finding this lesson helpful and fun, please hit that subscribe button. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work really hard to make these lessons for you, so your support means the world to me. I'll see you next time. Bye.